Beyond Tech Tide. In search of the tech world.
Since the dawn of humankind, we've gazed at the stars, dreaming of distant worlds. And today, as technology reaches new heights, our dream of stepping beyond Earth is becoming more real than ever before. Mars, our planetary neighbor, a world of red deserts and towering volcanoes, and perhaps, the future home for humanity. So, when will humans actually live on Mars? To answer that question, let's dive into the groundbreaking science and pioneering missions that are shaping our interplanetary future. Our journey to Mars is the next giant leap, one that builds on over half a century of space exploration. From the Apollo moon landings to building the International Space Station, we've made incredible strides. And now, Mars has captured our collective imagination. It's the new frontier, a new place to test our limits and redefine what's possible. But why Mars? Why this barren, frigid planet? Well, Mars is the most Earth-like planet in our solar system. It has seasons, polar ice caps, and a day just a little over 24 hours. Beneath its surface, we might even find evidence of water. Scientists believe that, with the right tools and enough ingenuity, we could turn Mars into a place where humans could live. Not just survive? So, what will it take to make Mars a second home? Right now, space agencies and private companies like NASA and SpaceX are leading the way, tackling the biggest challenges of Mars colonization. Let's break it down. First, there's the journey itself. Getting to Mars isn't a quick hop across the pond, it's a voyage of 6 to 9 months through space. That's nearly a year in zero gravity, facing radiation exposure and the challenges of living in confined quarters. Spacecraft need to be designed to withstand this, to keep astronauts safe, comfortable, and healthy. And that's where organizations like NASA and SpaceX come in. NASA's Artemis program is paving the way, and SpaceX has built the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft that aims to carry humans to Mars and back. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, dreams of sending the first humans to Mars within this decade. Imagine that? Humans setting foot on another planet in our lifetime. But getting there is only part of the challenge. What about staying there? Mars has an atmosphere, thin and mostly carbon dioxide, which means no breathable air, and the surface temperature can plunge to -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -60 degrees Celsius. So, how do we survive? Scientists are working on that too. They're creating habitats, oxygen generators, and even Martian greenhouses to grow food. For example, NASA's MOXIE experiment is a device that converts Mars carbon dioxide into oxygen. If scaled up, it could provide breathable air for astronauts, and even fuel for rockets to bring us home. And then, there's the dream of terraforming, turning Mars into a more Earth-like planet. While that's a distant goal, some scientists imagine releasing greenhouse gases to thicken Mars' atmosphere, trapping more heat and possibly making it warmer over time. It's a vision of Mars with flowing rivers and green valleys. But that's far down the line. Imagine a future where people wake up on Mars, looking out at the rusty red landscape as the sun rises. They could be the pioneers of a new world, exploring uncharted land, setting up communities, and laying the foundation for an interplanetary civilization. Just like explorers who crossed oceans in centuries past, humans could be crossing the ultimate frontier. This vision isn't just for scientists or astronauts, it's for all of us. Every advancement brings us closer, inspiring the next generation to dream even bigger, to imagine a world beyond the stars. Perhaps someone watching this video right now will be among the first to set foot on Mars, leaving boot prints in the Martian dust for future generations to see. So, what do you think? Will we see humans on Mars in our lifetime? Let us know in the comments. Share your thoughts on humanity's next big adventure. And if you're as fascinated by space as we are, don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic journeys and discoveries. Together, we'll keep reaching for the stars. Because our story in space is just beginning.